Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to rank your YouTube video without using SEO. Yes, you heard that right. There are ways to get your video seen by more people without worrying too much about search engine optimization. So let's get started. Tip 1. Share your video on social media. One of the easiest ways to get your video seen by more people is by sharing it on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can also join groups and communities related to your niche and share your video with those audiences. This will help you to reach a wider audience and get more views on your video. Tip 2. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building a loyal fan base and getting more views on your video. Respond to comments and questions, ask your viewers for feedback, and create a sense of community around your channel. This will help you to get more views, likes, and shares on your video. Tip 3. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other creators is a great way to get more exposure for your channel. You can do guest videos or interviews with other creators in your niche, or you can collaborate on a video project together. This will help you to reach new audiences and get more views on your video. Tip 4. Use eye-catching thumbnails. An eye-catching thumbnail can be the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past it. Make sure your thumbnail is visually appealing and relevant to your video content. Use bold colors and text to make it stand out and catch the attention of potential viewers. Tip 5. Create quality content. Last but not least, make sure your video content is high quality and engaging. This will encourage viewers to watch your video all the way through and share it with their friends. The more people watch your video, the higher it will rank on YouTube's algorithm, which will in turn lead to more views. Conclusion. That's it for our tips on how to rank your YouTube video without SEO. Remember, while SEO is important, there are other ways to get your video seen by more people. Focus on creating quality content, engaging with your audience, and promoting your video on social media and through collaborations. We hope you found these tips helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on growing your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.